Solo Travel Tips, a guide to adventurous and safe journeys. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about solo travel tips. Solo travel means traveling alone, and it can be an exciting and rewarding experience. We'll explore some essential tips to make your solo journeys both enjoyable and safe. Let's dive in. Solo travel is all about exploring new places by yourself. It offers freedom, flexibility, and the chance to meet new people and learn about different cultures. However, it also requires good planning and awareness to ensure your safety. Preparation is key to a successful solo trip. Start by researching your destination. Learn about the local culture, laws, and safety concerns. It's also crucial to prepare important documents, like your passport, visa, and travel insurance. Don't forget to inform someone close to you about your travel plans. Packing for a solo trip means finding the balance between being prepared and traveling light. Essential items include comfortable clothing, a first aid kit, important medications, and essential electronics like your phone and charger. Remember, the lighter you travel, the easier your journey will be. Safety should be your top priority. Always stay aware of your surroundings. Avoid risky areas, especially at night, and keep your valuables secure. It's also a good idea to learn a few phrases in the local language, especially those related to help and emergencies. Solo travel is an opportunity to grow and learn about yourself. Be open to new experiences, meet locals and other travelers, and immerse yourself in the local culture. However, always listen to your instincts. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to step back. That's it for our guide on solo travel tips. Remember, solo travel can be an incredibly rewarding experience if done with careful planning and mindfulness. We hope these tips help you on your next solo adventure. Safe travels, and see you in our next video.